Okay, so I'm going to show you different magic ring options. I'm using the 6mm crochet hook. So I think this is the easiest way. So we have our yarn, the tail end, and attached to the ball. So we make a loop like this. So we've got our end here, just flap it over, loop like this. Put your crochet hook through the loop, hold it there, so I've got holding the loop in place down here, and then pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through the little loop. This then makes a magic ring. So we would then, for example, chain 2, we'll put some double crochets into the middle so we can show you how it works. Okay, so 6 double crochets for example, and then we've got our tail end here. You literally just pull and it will close the ring. So then say for example we slip stitch on the other side, like so, pull the tail end. Oh, it's a bit hard, but there you see, it'll close it fully. So that's one option. So I'll show you that again. So we've got the end of our yarn and the bit that's attached to the ball of the yarn. So we make a loop, flap it over like this, and again, just like this. Crochet hook into the loop, hold it together, pull through the yarn over, pull through, just like so. Then we'll put our stitches into this gap here. So when we get to the end again, we'll be able to pull it close. So that to me is the easiest option. When I first started learning to crochet, I came across a tutorial that taught you like this. So just in case this is easier for some people, we've got the end of the yarn, wrap it round, insert the hook, so we've got 2 there like that, pull it through, so I'll show you again, wrap it round twice, push the hook underneath this one and pull the one at the back, and then we twist, and the aim of the game is to basically pull it through from the other side, like so, and you have the same magic ring. That one's slightly more complicated looking back now. So that is option number 2. And then this new option that I've come across more recently that you'll see in all my videos, which if you can't get to grips with any magic ring, just do this. So make a loop, we're going to attach the yarn onto the crochet hook just like normal. And then we chain 4. Like so. And then we're going to slip stitch into the first chain. and then we'd work our stitches into the middle. So it's basically already a closed magic ring. So if in doubt, chain 4 and slip stitch. Hopefully that helps with your magic, with making a magic ring.